This is a video about volcanoes.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
And I'm in these volcanoes today since I'm really into them.
You're really into them?
And then we're going to make them explode.
Cool. Tell me about this volcano right here.
It's called Mount St. Helens, and it's stored in Washington in the United States.
What kind of volcano is it?
A stratovolcano. Look.
What makes something a stratovolcano? Are they very tall?
Yes.
And then what's over here?
This is a shield volcano. They're really short, but they're really wide.
They're very wide and they're very short. And what's the name of this volcano?
It's stored in Hawaii.
It's located in Hawaii. How did you make these two volcanoes?
Paper mache, paint, and then we used Mod Podge to make it stay on. Just like Sharpies.
Are you ready to make them explode?
Yes!
What you need to make your volcano erupt is baking soda, dish soap, a little bit of food coloring, and vinegar.
Ew.
And a spoon.
Mom, maybe exploded.
You ready to put the vinegar in? Let's see Moanako explode. Whoa, there she blows!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's white, but it got some red. Ooh.
And shield volcanoes have a slow lava movement. Should we try the stratovolcano now?
Yeah. It's not exploding. Take it. Not working. I hit it. You can only see the magma.
You can see the magma?
Look.
Yeah, you can see the magma. And then when it comes out the volcano, what is it called?
Eruption.
An eruption,
Lava.
and it's lava.
May I please pour some more in?
You want to try? There it goes, Mount St. Helen.